Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you DM on Instagram. To DM or direct message someone on Instagram, you need to first of all open the Instagram app. Also make sure that the application is completely up to date. So here what you want to do is click on the messenger icon from the top right corner of your screen. So here you have these section, right? So I've already actually started a conversation, but let's say with somebody that you've never contacted or that you've never texted. So at the top you want to go ahead and look for the person. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in the name. So let's see, this is the one. All right, so what you need to do is here at the bottom there is the messaging field. So here you want to type in the message and click on this airplane or paper airplane icon. Click on this and it's gonna be sent. So this is how you could DM on Instagram. And likewise, let's see if it's somebody that you know follow. So what you want to do is just go ahead and open up their page. So let's see, tap on the search bar and type in this. Now as you can see, there is no such option as to message. So just click on the three dot and go to send message at the bottom. Now you have to understand this Instagram only lets you message someone just one time if you've not followed them. So you have to wait patiently until the person actually approves your follow request. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.